Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So for the separation, go to settings and there is an option Wi-Fi. So click on it. Of course, you should enable it to see the blue switch. Next, choose the Wi-Fi which you want to connect. For example, this. Write the password to your Wi-Fi, click connect, and voila, you will connect it to your Wi-Fi. You can disable that Wi-Fi by this switch, you can enable it by this switch one more time. Of course, you will now connect automatically to your Wi-Fi which you chose in the previous step. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!